sub 5 minutes this time. Okay. Let's restart our database. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Alrighty, server is up and running. Let's go ahead and refresh. Gonna just grab Ivysaur here. ID ending in 242 if it will let me. Any day. Okay. Whatever. That'll do. We're going to take that over. Ba-doo. And for our create trainer, we're going to pop that in here. Alright. Let's just do some scribbles so we don't get any duplicate errors or anything here. Going to go ahead and save that. And when I run the test, it should populate this guy. Alright, no errors this time. Trainer by ID, we've got our global variable in there. And run. Alright. Once again, not sure what is going on here at the deleter function. It just perpetually runs for some reason when I'm screen capping. But if I look at the summary here, we should be able to see, yeah, all 5 of the tests and our delete passed. Really not sure what's going on with that. Just double check it. Oh, never mind. So those are our tests. We've got the original 5 and then our create trainer, get all trainers, trainer by ID, update trainer, and delete trainer. What else did I need to show you? Let's see. Come on, minute and a half. Hurry. There we go. Here's our database, populated with all our Pokemon. And we've got our trainers. I said we have our trainers. There we go. What was that one guy's name that I just made? I don't know. Let's see if he's in here. Never mind, he got deleted because at the end it gets deleted. So back to Postman. And let's go ahead, go to our collections. And I'm pretty sure you want to see the population or the dot populate. So let's go ahead and press get. Ba-doo. And as you can see here, it brings back our Bulbasaur with the unique ID, has their types, and the trainers. Normally the trainers would just, the trainers that have a Bulbasaur. Normally you would just see the IDs, but since the populate's in here, their actual information is showing up, so you can see their age, name, badge, you know, everything. Same here. Pokemon IDs. These are all the Pokemon that Ash has. Let's see. collections, and we're going to get all trainers. Should have a similar response here, except vice versa. So we've got Ash here, and you can see he has Pikachu and Eevee and Pidgeotto, Pidgeot, quite a lot because, you know, it's Ash. But we get to a different trainer. We've got Professor Oak, and just to show you one more, we've got Misty. And you can see all the, come on, all the info is populated for the Pokemon as well. I want to say the Get by IDs also have the collection on it. So let's check that out. Yeah, he probably got deleted. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go grab one. I said we're gonna go grab one. Refresh just in case. Okay, come on, work with me here. Oh, does it only display 20 at a time? It does. Oop. Okay. Let's go with somebody cool. Jigglypuff will do. And as you can see, we get Jigglypuff, and apparently no one has a Jigglypuff. Mind you, I only have 38 trainers out of all the trainers, but no one has a Jigglypuff, which is interesting. I was hoping to pull more data than that, so let me get somebody more, what do you call it? Common, like Mr. Pikachu here. At the very least, I know Ash has him, so let's just double check that everything is going correctly with our dot populate. This is trainer. We want ID. Boom. And Pikachu, yes, we've got Ash has got a Pikachu. Let's see. Lieutenant Surge, Gym Bat, Gym Leader, and May all have Pikachu. So there we go. We know that our Pokemon by ID and our Get All Pokemon are working. We know that our Create New Trainer is also working. Let's get a trainer ID real quick and test our last one. Okay. Agatha. Trainer by ID. And Agatha, 75, still kicking. All right, I think that is it. Let me show you my code real quick, just in case that is part of it. Go away. I guess I can. So, long story short, I have a get Pokemon.js that uses the Pokemon API to bring in Pokemon, saves it to a file called Pokemon.js, where I module.export them out to no, where is it? Nope. There it is. To here. I've got my, come on. What happened? There we go. I've got my okay, stop. Why are you lagging so much? There we go. There we don't go. What's happening? Okay, we've got our Pokemon data and trainer data coming from our two files, Pokemon.js and trainer.js down here. We're just module.exporting those out. They're nothing but JSON. Let's see. Go back to our populate. We first populate the Pokemon, and then after we populate the Pokemon, we come and map all of the trainers to the Pokemon that they have, and then we actually swap out the ID for their actual information. So by using their Pokemon number, basically, so it matches it up and then spits it out all nice and neat. And then from our populate database, we go to our, where to go? Stop. Why is it lagging? Go to our server.js. I hate those pop-ups. I wish I can get rid of them. And we got a start server function here. Changed up the server.js just a bit. We put a await function on our connect database. And then we time it out for 10 seconds just to make sure that the database is connected before populating the database with our populate database function. Let's see. And you can see down here we've got an asynchronous function. It populates the Pokemon first, waits 5 seconds, and then populates the trainers, just to make sure that everything went through smoothly. That is done. Let's see, get out of here. Out of here. Forgive me that it's so slow. For some reason, every time I screen record, everything gets laggy. Come on. Close it. Close it. Oh, Lord. Whatever. I think I already showed you my controllers in the last video. There's nothing new minus the populate trainers. And same goes for the get by ID function here. And same goes for this file here. For our, oh, they must be at the top. For our get all, we've got populate dot, our dot populate Pokemon and dot populate Pokemon for the trainer models. And I think that is pretty much the only thing that is new. For the purposes of testing, I put unique to false, but it didn't seem to matter. I hate that. Stop popping up. It didn't seem to matter. I got duplicates, and I don't know why. Even though I put false, I'm probably gonna put true before I do my final push. Yeah. I don't think there's anything new, but let me walk through the files. Already went through our models, config. These both seem to be deprecated. So other than copying you and some documentation online, I don't know what these two are really doing, since they're deprecated. And it says that they're not doing anything. So, strange, but it's still working, so I'm just going to leave it. Already looked at our models, we looked at our config. Did anything change in the index? No. Here, I don't need this line anymore. Let's see. Don't need this line anymore either, apparently. Nothing new, nothing new. That's my get Pokemon. Didn't change anything around in here. So Pokemon array, populate, and my trainer array, node modules. Yeah, I think that is, oh, let me check server. I think we already did though. Yeah, we did. We did. Okay. Nice. I think that is all. Thank you.